My Roku won't turn on.
I'm assuming it is plugged in and plugged in correctly.
If I mess that up, it is the ultimate in human error.
Make sure the TV and other electronics plugged into the outlet have lights on. After all, you could have blown a fuse or tripped a breaker trying to run too much at once.
This isn't like running a gaming console and big screen TV and, oh, right.
If the lights on other stuff plugged into the same outlet are working, then check the remote control batteries. After all, it won't turn on via the remote if the remote is dead.
I know it is a battery hog, but I'll check them again.
And check that they were installed the right way.
It isn't like I let my toddler put them in.
You could also have the Roku refuse to turn on because the remote and set-top box are out of sync.
You test that or reset it using the sync button you can access after taking the cover off. It is next to where the batteries rest.
Sometimes you can't turn on the Roku because the power cable is bad or not working.
1. This isn't like a computer headset cable where the chair rollers may roll over it. 2nd, the thing isn't plugged into a surge protector where the protector might be off or unplugged.
Sometimes the solder joints at the power port terminals are loose.
I'm not taking apart the Roku box to try to fix it.
Wiggling the cable in the port might fix it.
It has to get fixed if that's the fix.
If the terminals are really loose, the fix is soldering it. If it is broken, you need to replace the power port.
That requires service.
So is a new motherboard.
If that's bad, the only way to make it good is get a new Roku.
Or you just need to replace the remote control.
The only benefit of that is costing less.
I've heard of the Roku 2 not running after the software update. The solution after that is changing the connection from HDMI cable to RCA cables, and perhaps changing it back again.
I've heard of some smartphones needing to be put in airplane mode and back to normal to run normally. Switching inputs to make it use the right input would be along those lines.
If it stopped responding after an update, the other solution is unplugging it and replugging it.
Of course, the solution is a hard reboot.
The solution may also be a factory reset.
How do you do a factory reset on a Roku?
Use a paperclip to push in the recessed reset button for at least 20 seconds. It will reload the factory firmware and reboot, and then may try to install the update again.
I guess that's the only solution for ones like the Roku 4 when you can't access the home screen.
If the menu worked, you'd be able to go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset or Settings, Factory Reset, Factory Reset, yes.